Okay, the monkey. Okay, and you were able to finish this reading section last Wednesday. That means
Yes.
you will do this speaking practice one here. Are you ready?
Yes. What does Adolf bring to team first thing in the morning?
Mhm.
Adolf brings the newspaper to team first thing in the morning.
Okay, so let's take it slowly. All right, so your speaking practice one is fill in the blanks. That means you're going to fill the blanks here using these words at the box. Can you please read the first word?
Opens the door. Car accident. Newspaper. Training program.
Okay, you've done with answering question letter A. What does Adolf bring to Tim first thing in the morning? So your answer is,
Adolf brings the newspaper to team first thing in the morning.
and that, good job, Queenie. Okay, next.
What else does Adolf do for Tim? Adolf opens the door for Tim.
Okay, again, that answer is correct. Well done. Next.
Why is Tim disabled? Tim is disabled because of a car accident.
A car accident, and that is also correct. Again, I would like you to repeat this one.
Disabled.
Okay, disabled.
Disabled.
Very good. One more time.
Disabled.
Perfect. Disabled. All right. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one.
What does Monkey College offer? It offers selected monkeys to receive a special education and training program to help disabled people.
Okay, people.
People.
Okay, disabled people.
Disabled people.
Okay, very good. All right, very good. Queenie, you were able to give the correct answers to this activity here. Well done. Okay, but before we go straight to the next activity, I would like you to tell me what is the name of this. What do we call that?
G.
This.
Oh. This one?
And this one.
Question mark.
Very good. Good job, Queenie. We call that as question mark. And every time there is a question mark in a sentence, you should sound like you are asking a question. Well, so far, you did it correctly now. So well done. What about this one? What do we call this again?
Let me look at the photo.
Okay.
I call this point.
All right. Yeah, sometimes or somehow we call that as a point, right? A point. But in English grammar or in a part of speech, we call that as period.
Oh, yes.
Okay, a period, which means you are going to stop or do the full stop. Okay, so I didn't see any comma here and apostrophe. So let's just proceed. Okay, next one is you are going to practice asking questions. Okay, read sentence number 1 and question.
Adolf is good accompanying to team. Who is good accompanying to team?
Very good. Who is a good?
Who is a good accompanying to team?
Okay, company.
Company.
Okay, one more.
Company.
Company. Okay, do you know what does it mean?
No.
Okay, when we say company, that means like companion or friend. Okay, the person who always goes with you. For example, what is the name of your friend last time?
Kimi.
Teeny.
K-I.
Okay.
Oh, Kimi.
Okay. So Kini and Queenie are good company.
Okay.
It? Okay. Now, can you make me another sentence using the word company?
Marshmallow and Queenie are good company.
Good job. Very good. Okay. Next, let's go to sentence number 2.
Out of always carries Tim's bag for Tim. What does mm, mm, what
Mm-hmm. It started with what?
what thing does out of always carries for Tim?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the sentence is Adolf always carries Tim's bag for Tim. Okay, so the question would be what? Okay, you said what thing?
What out of always do for Tim?
Okay, what Adolf always do for Tim. Okay, so in this one, dear, okay, let me paste it so that you can see. Okay, so here, so you said what thing Adolf, big letter, Adolf always do for Tim. So you should actually say, what does,
Out of always do for Tim?
okay, what does Adolf always, okay, carry?
Oh,
Okay, because the action word here is carries, right?
no, okay.
Or Tim. Again, please read the correct one. What does?
What does out of always carry for Tim?
Okay, what does Adolf always carry for Tim? Okay, next one. Number,
Tim had a car accident last year, so he cannot use his arms. Why does Tim cannot use his arms last year?
okay, sentence number 3 says, Tim had a car accident last year, so he cannot use his arms. So why? Question is, why does Tim?
Why does Tim cannot use his arms last year?
Okay, there should not be last year, darling. Okay, so you should just have say why does Tim cannot use his arm?
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
All right. Okay, so we don't have time already, but I think you can finish this number 4. Go.
Okay, monkeys can receive a special education on disabled people at Monkey College. What does monkeys can receive at Monkey College?
Okay, that is perfect. What does monkeys can receive at Monkey College? Okay. Well, anyway, Queenie, some of the corrections that we had in our previous class review, I've already pasted it here. So I think before we end, dear, I would like you to read this sentence correction. Okay, hold on. Okay. So you said,
Who is good company to Tim?
okay, better say,
Who is a good company to Tim?
good job. Next, you said,
What thing out of always do for Tim?
better say,
What does out of always carry for Tim?
okay, that is the correct one. Okay, so far, Queenie, I would say that today you have a very good performance. Somehow your enthusiasm is back, and I love that. Thank you so much also for asking questions. When you ask question, I know that you are listening, and I know that you are really wanted to know. So good job. I'm so happy for your performance today. Okay. All right. I'm going to see you again on Monday, darling. Bye bye for now. Have a good night.
Okay.
Bye.
You too. Bye.
Thank you.